A Grow Tent Kit is a complete indoor growing system designed for optimal plant growth. It includes a light-proof grow tent, LED grow light, ventilation system, carbon filter, and essential accessories like trellis netting, grow bags, and monitoring tools. Ideal for hydroponics or soil-based growing, it ensures controlled light, airflow, and humidity for healthy, high-yield plants. There are many different types of Grow Tent Kit, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best Grow Tent Kit that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 1. Vivison S3 36 3x3 Grow Tent. The Vivison S3 36 3x3 Grow Tent is designed for optimal indoor plant growth, featuring 100% reflective mylar walls that maximize light efficiency while preventing leaks. Its heavy-duty 600D Oxford canvas and reinforced PE layer ensure durability, while an upgraded light-proof zipper eliminates the need for extra sealing. The sturdy metal frame supports up to 100 pounds per hanging bar, perfect for grow lights and ventilation systems. A transparent observation window allows for easy plant monitoring, while a removable floor tray simplifies cleanup. With tool-free assembly, reinforced connectors, and included hanging straps, setup is quick and hassle-free. Multiple duct and cord openings provide versatility for various hydroponic setups. Whether placed in a garage, closet, or balcony, this grow tent is an excellent choice for creating a controlled, efficient growing environment for your plants. Number 2. Vivison GIY 4x2 Grow Tent Complete System. The Vivison GIY 4x2 Grow Tent Complete System provides everything needed for a successful indoor grow setup. This all-in-one kit includes a 48 inches by 24 inches by 60 inches grow tent, VS1000 LED grow light with Samsung LM301 diodes, a 4-inch 203 CFM inline fan, carbon filter, 8 feet of ducting, rope hangers, and grow room glasses. The powerful yet quiet ventilation system efficiently removes heat and odors, while the 1050 Plus RC48 Australian charcoal filter ensures clean airflow. The VS1000 LED light offers high energy efficiency, 2.75 mol/J, while consuming only 100 W, reducing costs while maximizing yields. This kit also includes elastic trellis netting, 5-gallon grow bags, a temperature and humidity monitor, pruning shears, and a digital timer, making climate control and plant care easy. With durable metal poles and quick tool-free assembly, this complete system simplifies indoor growing for all skill levels. Number 3. Mars Hydro 3x3 Grow Tent Kit. The Mars Hydro 3x3 Grow Tent Kit complete system offers a high-performance, all-in-one solution for indoor growing. This kit includes a 32 inches by 32 inches by 63 inches grow tent, TS1000 dimmable LED grow light, 4-inch 205 CFM inline fan, carbon filter, 25 feet ducting, 10 speed clip fan, grow bags, trellis netting, pruning shears, timer, humidity thermometer, and corner shelves. The TS1000 LED grow light features 354 SMD LEDs with a 120 degrees reflector design, providing high power output and full spectrum light while consuming only 150 W, ensuring energy efficiency and high yields. The 1680D Mylar tent enhances light reflection by 25% and prevents leaks with reinforced zippers and stitching. The 205 CFM inline fan with adjustable speeds ensures efficient airflow, while the silent 10 speed clip fan enhances circulation. This durable, easy-to-assemble system is ideal for all growth stages. Number 4. Vivison Grow Tent Complete Kit. The Vivison Grow Tent Complete Kit provides a high-performance indoor growing solution with everything needed for efficient plant growth. The 48-inch by 48-inch by 80-inch Mylar grow tent is designed to block all light leakage while boosting efficiency with 100% reflective Mylar lining. The VS1000 LED grow light features Samsung LM301 diodes, offering high efficiency, 2.75 mol/J, while consuming only 100 W, ensuring uniform lighting for a 3x3 feet area, 4x4 feet max. The 6-inch 440 CFM inline fan operates at 2,450 RPM with a low 50 dB noise level, providing powerful airflow for ventilation. The wireless thermometer tracks real-time temperature and humidity, ensuring optimal growing conditions. The versatile trellis netting supports plant growth and is durable and reusable. With easy assembly and a complete setup, This Grow Tent Kit is ideal for beginners and experienced growers alike. Number 5. Vivison GIY Smart Grow Tent System 2x2. The Vivison GIY Smart Grow Tent System 2x2 is a Wi-Fi integrated, all-in-one grow solution designed for efficiency and automation. This 24 inches by 24 inches by 48 inches grow tent kit includes the Aerolite SE100W LED grow light, 4-inch AeroZesh S4 fan, GrowHub E42A controller, carbon filter, ducting, trellis net, grow bags, and essential accessories. The tube-in-one full-spectrum LED grow light features an integrated circulatory fan, enhancing airflow and light coverage while being programmable for customized growth cycles. The low-noise, energy-saving fan operates at just 35 dB, ensuring efficient ventilation. The GrowHub E42A controller provides real-time environmental monitoring, tracking temperature and humidity with built-in sensors and app connectivity. With automated climate control, seamless compatibility, and easy setup, this smart grow system is perfect for beginners and experienced growers looking for precision and convenience. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.